In this video, we are going to give you a brief overview of how to use the Cloud Retailer Help Desk, also referred to as the knowledge base. This is available 24/7. It is online, and in addition to support topics, it also has a lot of tips and tricks and other things related to the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. First thing I'd recommend doing is bookmarking this page on your various browsers and devices so it is readily accessible. You'll see we have a couple of things here. You'll see the current status in case you might be experiencing an interruption to see if it's software related or maybe if it's related to something else like your internet access or hardware issues. Next up, you have the option to log in and or if you're new, sign up. If we click on sign up, you'll be taken to a page where you can create an account. Let's go back to home. You also have options for creating a new support ticket and checking the ticket status. Now you don't need to have an account to do this. However, if you do sign up for an account, that will expand the communication that you can see regarding the support tickets that you have created or associated with your business. Now, the knowledge base and our help desk, there's a lot of things here. Easiest thing to do, think like you are on a search engine like Google and start typing in what you're looking for. So let's say you want to add a logo to receipt. And you can see it narrows down the options, which makes it a lot easier for navigation. You can jump right to the topic page that will explain how to do this. And that is the overview. We also have some options for a forum as well as logging in to get remote support if one of our technicians needs to access your system. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.